Ever lost progress after a crash or reboot while handling multiple cases? We know how frustrating that can be for customer service representatives who constantly juggle tabs, sessions, and tools. Introducing Session Restore, also known as App Session Restore, in Dynamics Customer Service's Copilot Service Workspace, helping service reps pick up exactly where they left off, minimizing disruptions and maximizing productivity. Here's what you need to know. Reclaim lost time. No need to reopen every case or rebuild your workspace. Session Restore automatically saves your open sessions, tabs, and navigation context. Just log back in and your environment is instantly restored. Save your space. Enabled by default, Session Restore captures your open sessions, tab states, navigation context, and productivity tools seamlessly. Real-world impact. Service reps can resume work instantly after breaks or system updates, supervisors see fewer escalations, and IT spends less time troubleshooting session issues, all adding up to smoother, more efficient operations. Stay tuned for more Dynamics customer service updates.